Honorable viewers, all the students of class 9 and their parents, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to the assignment solution for 2021 18th week. Subjects of this week are physics, accounting, history of Bangladesh and world civilization, Bangladesh and global studies, and science. And today's topic is science. If you already subscribed in my channel, thank you very much. If not, please subscribe now to get the notification of next video, and that will inspire me for the next video development. And for this, click on the subscribe button below the video, then click on the bell icon, and then click on the option all. Let's see the assignment. Progya went on a boat trip with her father on the river Buriganga. She could not find any similarity with the picture of the bank of Buriganga and the picture she had in her mind when she went to her grandfather's house. There is no bank of the river. There are innumerable buildings, shops, and factories. The color of the water is absolutely black, smelly. The pure air that she had come out to take in, her breath seemed to stop in the opposite stance. Progya was very upset. This is the plight of such a big river in the country. Number A. Is the water of Buriganga river suitable for living of fish and other creatures? Explain. Number B. If there is any cropland on the banks of Buriganga, is it possible to irrigate it with Buriganga river? Argue your answer. Number D. Here, number D. What can you do with the help of local people to bring Buriganga back to normal? Present your opinion. Title of the assignment: Chapter 2, Water for Life. Let's go to the answer. Answer to the question number A. In all the animals of our environment, aquatic animals need water the most. Aquatic animals take food from the aquatic environment. It reproduces in water and gets the oxygen to survive in water. Fish are the most common aquatic animals. They survive by taking food from the water. They breathe in the water and take oxygen dissolved in the water with the help of gills. Dirt from city houses and sewage wastes and chemicals from industrial plants, carcasses of animals and plants pollute the river water. Most of the industrial waste comes from sugar, food, paper, and leather factories. All those organic matter pollute the water of the surrounding reservoirs and water and rivers. Various organic chemicals from the sources such as mine and factory waste, oil extraction and refining fields, agricultural fields, etc. contaminate the water. Since the higher the amount of biodegradable organic matter in the water, it requires more oxygen to react with them. Hence, the amount of oxygen dissolved in the water decreases, which is very harmful to aquatic life. In this condition, aquatic life can also die. And this is the reason why the water of Buriganga river is getting polluted and the amount of fish in Buriganga river is decreasing day by day. Public health experts say that aquatic animals need 5 milliliter per liter of dissolved oxygen to survive. But this level is much less in the water of Buriganga. Therefore, it can be said that the water of Buriganga river is unsuitable for living of other creatures including fish. Answer to the question number B. Water is being used in our daily life starting from various activities in agriculture, industry and other fields. Therefore, if there is no specific quality of water, it will be harmful to biodiversity or the environment, just as its use in agriculture will be fatal. We use water of canals, rivers, or groundwater for irrigation. Salt water cannot be used in agriculture. The water of the river Buriganga is being polluted by the garbage of the houses and sewer water of the city and the industrial waste from the industrial factories. Use of water contaminated with industrial waste for irrigation can ruin the fertility of the land. At the same time, the normal growth of plant is disrupted. Therefore, it can be said that it is not possible to irrigate croplands with the water of Buriganga. Answer to the question number D. Answer to the question number D, not C. Answer to the question number D. Another name of water is life. It is not possible for us to live a day without water. Every day we use water for almost all kinds of work. Again, Bangladesh is an agricultural country. Development of the country is not possible without development of agriculture, and in this agriculture water is needed for irrigation. That is, development is not possible in any way without water. Every country in the developed world is highly developed in industry. There is no industrial plant where water is not required. That is why it is said that development and water complement each other. The steps I can take with the help of the local people to restore the Buriganga to normalcy are presented below. Number one, we can give the right idea about water pollution to people of all walks of life and can present the horrible picture created by its bad effects to the people. We can raise awareness by using leaflets, posters, social media such as Facebook or national media. Number two, city and residential waste and sewage waste, meal waste, etc. should be treated before it falls into rivers and canals. We can increase awareness of for this. Number three, arbitrary use of pesticides, fungicides and herbicides should be stopped. In this case, we can increase public awareness by discussing with the farmers. Thank you very much for watching and keep watching for the next video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.